I was sure growing up I would live the life my mother assumed I'd live. Very Jewish, very middle class, and very straight, where healthy men stayed healthy men, and marriages were long and great. I smile, I don't complain. I'm trying to keep sane as the rules keep changing. Families aren't what they were. Thank God there's a husband and a child whom I adore. But then there's more, so many more. There's always more. Life is never what you planned. Life is moments you can't understand, and that is life. I'm plain, I don't astound. I hold to the ground as the ground keeps shifting, keeping my balance square, trying not to care about this man my husband loves. But that's my life.